and I'm glad that I did.
Well, I did it through the winter, and Florida seemed like a great place to live in the winter, seeing where I'm from the north. And also the dorms, the on-campus housing, made it really easy to show up to class on time.
CDA, I'd compare them, and I'd ask people who would went, and I'd call the school and ask them what difference is it between DIT and the other schools, and they would tell me numerous differences when it comes to training and professionalism of the school.
Like, there's not a lot of, or if any, schools that can do this type of deep water training without having to deal with all the crap, all the conditions offshore, you know, because there's no conditions really here. So you can have trainable, controlled environment dives here, or other, you know, schools. You have to deal with the ocean, so you may not be able to go out. You have to come back in. You know, you have to deal with all that. Here, it's so contained and controlled that you can get those dives done, and you can almost guarantee that unrestricted certification by the time you're done. Which to me is, that's the deal right there. I mean, that's sign me up. When I found that out, and I was like, got it, because I want to leave here with an unrestricted card, not a restricted card. You know.
I was hoping to get away from the cold in Vermont.
CDA had the best reviews. I think they're first in the country in dive schools, and I just felt like I'd get the best education here.
And look at the job placement. They say they had a lot of job placement.
It looked like somewhere where I could change my life at, and it looked like somewhere where I could have some good opportunities at. I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, and I'm glad that I did.